Looking for effortless, spotless floors? Our guide to the top 10 smart robot vacuums and mops showcases the latest in hands-free cleaning technology. From powerful suction and self-washing mops to intelligent navigation and app control, these robots tackle dust, debris, and pet hair across every surface. Discover devices that adapt to your home, clean edges and corners flawlessly, and offer long-lasting, low-maintenance performance, making daily floor care smarter and easier than ever. Number 1. Mova E40 Ultra. The Mova E40 Ultra brings powerful 19,000 Pascal suction with its Turbo Force 6 motor, pulling dirt from carpets, tiles, and marble with ease. Its Maxi Reach mop extends automatically to clean tight corners and low spaces flawlessly. The all-in-one station handles pad washing, warm air drying, and auto emptying for up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. With an 80 milliliter water tank and 3 moisture settings, every floor gets the perfect finish. A tangle-free side brush keeps hair from wrapping, while single laser obstacle avoidance ensures smooth, intelligent navigation for a consistently spotless home.
Number 2. ECOVACS DEEBOT T80. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 delivers deeper, smarter cleaning with Osmo roller scrubbing at 220 RPM and True Edge reaching every corner for a flawless edge-to-edge shine. Its powerful 18,000 PA suction lifts embedded dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. The upgraded Omni Station handles hot water washing, hot air drying, auto emptying, and refilling for true hands-free upkeep. AIV 3D 3.0 with LiDAR maps your home with precision, while the slim body and LED headlight clean hard-to-reach spaces. With Zero Tangle 3.0 for pet hair and full smart home voice control, the T80 keeps floors spotless effortlessly. Number 3. Shark Matrix Plus. The Shark Matrix Plus delivers incredible suction and sonic mopping in one pass, powering through carpets and hard floors while emptying its own dustbin. Matrix Clean technology takes multiple precision passes for noticeably better results, while Clean Edge Detect blasts debris from corners and edges for a flawless finish. True HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of allergens, and the bagless base holds up to 30 days of dirt. Sonic mopping tackles tough stains, and the self-cleaning brush roll lifts hair without wrapping. With 360-degree LiDAR mapping and powerful pet-friendly performance, the Matrix Plus keeps every room consistently clean with zero hassle. Number 4. ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro delivers the ultimate hands-free clean with 16,600 PA blast suction and an Osmo roller that self-washes in real time for fresh, streak-free mopping every pass. Pet hair and deep debris vanish with powerful airflow and Zero Tangle 3.0, while the triple lift system protects carpets and adapts to every surface. Edge-to-edge coverage ensures no corner is missed, and the Omni Station handles washing, drying, refilling, and emptying for up to 150 days. With advanced AI navigation and full voice control, the X9 Pro keeps your home spotless effortlessly. Number 5. ILIFE A30 Pro. The ILIFE A30 Pro delivers true 3-in-1 cleaning with a combined dustbin and water tank that sweeps, vacuums, and mops at the same time, cutting cleaning time by 30%. Its powerful 5,000 PA suction and roller brush lift dirt, debris, and pet hair from any floor, while LiDAR navigation maps your home with precision for efficient, high-coverage cleaning. Through the iLife Clean app, you can schedule, set no-go zones, customize suction, and adjust water flow with ease. With a self-empty station and 5 large dust bags providing up to 280 days of hands-free cleaning, maintenance becomes effortless.
Number 6. Eufy Robot Vacuum E25. The Eufy Robot Vacuum E25 delivers a deeper, smarter clean with hydrojet roller mops that self-wash 6 times per second for non-stop freshness.
Its all-in-one station handles self-emptying, self-washing, refilling, and hot air drying for effortless hands-free cleaning. With 20,000 PA turbo suction, it removes stubborn dust, debris, and pet hair across any surface. Duo spiral anti-tangle brushes keep hair from wrapping, while the corner rover arm reaches tight edges and corners for full coverage. Designed for pet-friendly homes and whole home precision, the E25 keeps floors spotless with powerful performance and smart app controls.
Number 7. ZC-WAS. The ZC-WAS 2-in-1 robot vacuum makes floor care effortless with sweeping and mopping in one run, powered by a 200 milliliter dust box and 230 milliliter water tank for spotless results. With multiple cleaning modes, auto, spot, edge, and zigzag, it adapts to every mess for efficient whole home coverage. Control it your way through the smart app, remote, Alexa, or Google Assistant. A 120-minute runtime and auto recharge keep cleaning uninterrupted, while anti-fall and anti-bump sensors ensure safe navigation. Boost Intellect automatically adjusts section across floors, delivering a smart, dependable clean every day.
Number 8. Eureka J15 Ultra. The Eureka J15 Ultra powers through dirt with 19,000 pascal suction, removing dust, debris, and pet hair with exceptional efficiency. Its flex arm mop and square round design deliver 99.95% edge coverage for spotless corners. The 8-in-1 base takes over the work with automatic debris emptying, water refilling, and hot water mop washing and drying for up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. IntelliView AI detects mess types and adapts instantly, while LiDAR, cameras, and LED headlights navigate around over 150 obstacles. The anti-tangle Flexi Razor brush cuts hair 400 times per minute, keeping performance strong for pet-friendly homes. Number 9. The SHELIKI D60S. The SHELIKI D60S delivers smart, customizable cleaning with 6 modes, precise 360-degree LiDAR navigation, and up to 14 no-go zones for carpets, pet areas, or delicate spaces. It maps your home accurately, saves up to 5 layouts, and adapts its route for seamless movement around furniture and stairs. With 4,000 PA suction, it lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets effortlessly. Control everything through the Tuya app, remote, or simple voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Adjustable water flow, flexible scheduling, and intelligent sensors ensure a spotless, personalized cleaning experience every day. Number 10. ECOVACS DEEBOT X Omni 1. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X Omni 1 delivers a fully hands-free clean with fast power boost GAN charging that keeps it running non-stop, even on max suction. The Osmo Roller 2.0 with True Edge 3.0 scrubs deeper and reaches edges with 50% more precision, while 19,500 pascals blast suction and Zero Tangle 3.0 remove dirt and pet hair without wraps. True Pass climbing tackles thresholds effortlessly, and the triple lift system protects carpets from moisture. The bagless Omni Station handles hot water washing, drying, refilling, and self-cleaning automatically. With advanced AI navigation and Yeeco learning your habits, X Omni 1 cleans smarter every day with simple voice or app control. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.